Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Sofoxyyy, and if you're new here, hey girl, hey. Today we're just gonna jump right into this wig install. Now this unit is from Bobbi Boss. This is their part of their glueless collection, and I have the style SURI in the color HL22/1222. A fucking tongue twister, I know. But this is what the unit is looking like on our head. She is a dark root ash blonde beach wave kind of girl. Real freaking cute. Before I came on camera, I definitely went ahead and plucked my hairline a little bit. And this is going to be a real quick install because she was very easy. If you guys have been watching my channel for some time, you know that I am a fan of the Bobbi Boss glueless units. I love the way the lace melts into my skin. And these installs typically tend to be real quick, so we love that. Going in with my even lace spray, your girl finally went to the beauty supply store, y'all. No more got to be, no more wig glue. We're back to the original, you know what I'm saying? And we're spraying that all over the skin. I'm only doing one layer. Being that this is an easy install, we're just gonna go ahead and discuss the specs of this unit. So this unit is a 13x4 deep lace, glueless wear, flawless free parting, natural baby hairs, and a pre-plucked hairline. Now, like I mentioned, I did go ahead off camera and plucked my hairline a little bit. As far as the baby hairs, it did come with some, but if you guys know me, you know that I'm gonna use my own. Free parting, you definitely have about a 4-inch space up top, and when it comes to the side, girl, it's a 13x1. I don't know why I'd be lying like that. You have a little bit of space to do maybe like a little side part action, but your girl's really not that deep. As far as pros and cons of this wig, now the wig is super affordable. We love that. She is a very cute color on chocolate skin. I love dark roots and then it fades into color. I just feel like it complements Black women so well. The length was a little too long for me. I'm not really into long hair anymore, but that's just personal preference. And yeah, everything else about the wig for me, I would definitely give it about maybe a 9 out of 10. And the reason it's not gonna get a 10 is because if you know me, you know what I'm gonna say. Like, not it being day one, why are you tangling? Like, seriously, why are you shedding? And I just met you. Not you acting out on our first date. I really didn't like that, you know. But for this color combination, I just feel like I had to do it. Let me tell you guys something. If you do not know who Savannah James is, please go to Instagram and find that girl. That is LeBron James' wife. And let me tell you something. She is the queen of pulling off that ash blonde hair color. She does it all the time. And you know, I be stalking her Instagram and whatnot, and I was just like, ooh, yo, she be inspiring me to try it. Not me trying it. Love it on her, but I feel like I hate it on me. Maybe I'm judging myself a little too hard, but I don't know. I feel like the wig itself is cute. Maybe it's the tangling, maybe it's the shedding, and I'm not too fond of the hair pattern, the beach wave, messy look, kind of like, I don't like that. Maybe if it was a bit more like body wave or a bit more curled up, but it just looked like a flawless install, but I don't comb my hair. Like, I can't even explain what I'm going for, but on a scale of 1 to 10, girl, I'm gonna give sis a strong 9. I really do love the convenience of the install. I do love the color combination on my skin. It's just that shedding, tangling, and that hair pattern, yeah, it's not for your girl. And make no mistake about it, I am very understanding that I'm probably not gonna like every wig that I try, but you know, I have high expectations. So I expect to look amazing in every single one. And I feel like I look cute, just, yeah, I'm not a fan of this one. But comment down below and let me know if you guys would try. Maybe it's not a unit for me, but maybe it would be something that you would like. Because let me tell you guys something. It was me really a day later turning this unit into a bob hairstyle. Like, that's how out of hand the shedding and tangling got for me. Like, I really could not do it in the bob. Baby, when I tell you she was eating the girls up. Head over to my TikTok if you guys would like to see that video from start to finish. It started off as a fail, but it was real successful, y'all, I promise. But that was it for this install. Check your girl out. She is real freaking cute. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, be sure to follow your girl on Instagram, on TikTok, where that video is at, and on Facebook. And until next time, your girl will catch y'all later. Adios, muchachos.